Welcome to this labor ticket editor demo. Once you start the application, you will see the main screen and it will default to the dates of today. If there is any labor tickets, you'll see all the labor tickets here. If there isn't, you can just go ahead and change your dates. And there they are, your labor tickets from 8/1 to 1/3. Now, all columns are sortable. They are movable and they are resizable. You have the ability to change quantity completed. Simply put in a number and you are done with that setup. To change the clock and time, you have two options. You can just click here and change it, or you can double click and change it here. -11. You can filter. You can undo changes. And so on. Thank you for seeing this labor ticket editor demo.